Hello students, welcome to your favorite channel English Learning Assam. Today I start the question paper solution of pre-board examination 2024-25 of Gwalpara district subject English. মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজিৰ এই ভিডিঅ'ত মই তোমালোকৰ আগত আজি গোৱালপাৰা জিলাত অনুষ্ঠিত হৈ যোৱা প্ৰি-বোৰ্ড এক্সামিনেশ্যন 2024-25 ইংলিছৰ কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰখনৰ MCQ ট্ৰান্সলেশ্যন আৰু গ্ৰামাৰ সহ সম্পূৰ্ণ কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰখিনি আলোচনা কৰিম। আশা কৰিম এই কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰৰ সমাধানে তোমালোকৰ অহা পৰীক্ষাসমূহত সহায় কৰিব। এইখিনিতে তোমালোকক মই জনাই থওঁ যে ইতিমধ্যে মোৰ চেনেলত মই কামৰূপ ডিস্ট্ৰিক্ট আৰু ধুবুৰী ডিস্ট্ৰিক্টৰ কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰো ফুল্লি সলিউশন কৰি দিছোঁ। তোমালোকে সেইখিনিও চাবা বুলি আশা ৰাখিছোঁ। আজিৰ এইটো হ'ল এই বছৰৰ 3 নম্বৰ ইংলিছৰ কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ সলিউশন। বলাচোন মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'ৰ মূল বিষয়বস্তুলৈ যাওঁ। ইয়াতে দেখা পোনপ্ৰথমতে ইয়াতে দিয়া হৈছে সেকশন 8 দিছে, চুজ দ্য কাৰেক্ট অপশন for the following question number 1 to 4, question number 45, 1 into 45 equal to 45. 1. Read the following statements and choose the correct option. 1. Statement 1. Lancho was a hard working farmer. This is correct. 2. The hail rained for an hour on the whole valley. This is also true. So এইখানে অপশন আছে, মই তোমালোকক দেখাই দিছোঁ। তাৰ ভিতৰত অপশন সি টো কারেক্ট। both statement 1 and statement 2 is correct. Next, question number 2. Yes, God willing. Who said this? It was option A আছে Lancho, B আছে the woman preparing supper, C the older boys, D the postmaster. Correct option hobo B. Question number 3. What always promised a good harvest to Lancho? Etor correct answer hobo A the reap cornfield dotted with flowers. Now come to question number 4. On the day of the inauguration, Mandela was overwhelmed with, correct option to hobo C, a sense of history. তার পিছত তোমালোকৰ 5 নম্বৰত দিয়া হৈছে question number 5. The day was symbolized for me by the playing of our 2 national anthems. Who sang the anthem Die Stem? এটোৰ correct option হ'ব B Blacks. তার পিছত 6 নম্বর দিছে read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1. On the podium, Mr. de Klerk was first shown as the first deputy president. It was wrong. Statement 2. Mandela became the president of South Africa in 1994. This is true. So option B, statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. Evergreen dash covered 30% of Kurk. It was C, rainforest. 8. A long black coat with an embroidered wrist belt is a, option D, tradition dress of Kurk. Now come to question number 9. Read the following statement and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Kodabas are a proud race of the martial men and beautiful women. This is true. Statement 2 this is the monsoon rain invited many visitors to Kurk. This is false. So option A, statement 1 is true and statement 2 is false. Now come to question number 10. Read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1. Tea was first drank in Europe. This is false. Statement 2. Tea is not a beverage. This is also false. So correct answer hobo D. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Now come to question number 11. Tell me another sculpted franjol. What does the underline word mean? That means sculpted meaning to ki eto hobo mocked. Option A, mocked. 12. The second flash last from, option C, May to July. 13. 30 নম্বর দিয়া আছে read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1, Barley left standing at the front door. Yes, this is correct. Statement 2, her first playmates were her age. So it is false. So correct option will be A. Now come to question number 14. Question number 14, they say this wish became stronger and stronger until it was an overwhelming desire. What was the wish? It is correct option. তোমালকর বহুত কেটে দিয়ে আছে to travel to the town, to stand at the front door, C to ride on the bus, D to go to excursion. So correct option C, to ride on the bus. 15. And stares with his brilliant eyes. Choose the word which is same as the underlined word. Eto hobo ki B number, very bright. Next 16, we should why should Amanda not eat chocolate? Eto correct option B, it causes acne. 17, according to Amanda, life in a tower is, eto ki hobo, correct answer hobo D, calm. Tranquil অর্থটা হবো কি calm. Next question number 18 নম্বর question কোয়া হইছে the poet animals is written in the style of, এটা option C, free verse হবো. 19, the poet of ball poem says that money is external because with it we cannot buy everything. So A is correct. Now come to question number 20 number কোয়া হইছে in the poem animals who kneels to his ancestors, এটা হবো C, humans. Question number 21, he is learning oil behind the desperate eyes. So what is the meaning of the underlined word? That means desperate or meaning ki eta hobo hopeless. Losing the ball, the boy sends his first C, responsibility. 23, the color of Belinda's wagon is red. C. Tarpisot dise 24, read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1, it was the police knocked at the door. This is false. Statement 2, the police arrested Max. It is also false. So correct option, both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Now come to or, read the following statements and choose the correct option. Statement 1, Horace lived at the house at Sotober Grange. Statement 2, Horace became the librarian in the prison. So both are D number correct. 25, according to Azabul, how did Max enter the hotel room? Through the balcony. Okay, so C number is correct. 15 years ago, Danby was imprisoned because of he robbed a safe. Now come to 26. How old was Horace Danby? This is 50 years ago. Next, auto this when Fowler met Azabul, he was disappointed. Disappointed hobo. 27. Yet they say read the following statements and choose the correct option. Yet this statement on Griffin was liked by his landlord. It was false. Statement 2, Griffin was a lawless person. It is true. So B, statement 1 is false and statement 2 is true. Next, auto this auto answer hobo tomalkor statement 1 this New Million was a beautiful town. Statement 2, Oliver Lutkins was a conman. So both D number to correct. Number 28, which place was known as the center of theater world? Etor answer tomaloke A number Dureri land buli dibo lagibo. Or When did the narrator and the hack driver enjoy their lunch? এটা হবো on which hill? A option A 29. Satisfied that her guest was an eccentric scientist, choose the word which means the same as the underlined word. So eccentric or eccentric or তোমার ইটো দিছে কি this will be strange হবো. Okay, now come to question number 30. Dash of their property was lost in the flood. Okay, now 31. The dash rich are not always unkind. Ito যেহেতু জাতি বুঝিছে কারেক্ট অপশন হবো বি the rich. He read a book. Ito দেখা খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট, খুব সেন্সিবল একটা কোশ্চেন ছিল. রিড যদি রিডস দিলে হেতেন তাহলে এটা প্রেজেন্ট ইনডিফিনিট, যেহেতু রিড দিছে গতিকে এটা ফার্স্ট ইনডিফিনিট, গতিকে কারেক্ট অপশন হবে এ বুক ওয়াজ রিড বাই হিম. Now come to question number 33. My umbrella has been lost. I have lost my umbrella. I have lost my umbrella. Option number D is correct. 34. We should not dash the poor. We should not look down upon the poor hobo C number. Next 35. I meet him dash the street. Choose the correct preposition. Ito on hobo B number 1. 36. Man does not leave dash bread alone. Choose the correct preposition. So ito hobo bread alone hobo by bread alone. That's 37. Find out the correct statement as correct sentence. It will be on of B number. On of the students is absent. Now come to 38. Dash a sloka from the Gita. The cite a sloka from the Gita. Choose the correct alternative from the below to complete the sentence. Now come to 39. We must obey the constitution. Eto ki hobo certainty. Eto C option hobo correct. Tar pisot tomaloke read the following pages carefully and answer the questions. It was the slack time of the day and there were only 6 or 7 passengers on the bus. They were all looking at Burley and laughing with the conductor. Burley was overcome the shyness. Avoiding everyone's eyes, she walked quickly to an empty seat and sat down. It was a new bus. Its outside painted a gleaming white with some green strips along the sides. Inside the overhead birds shone line silver. So correct. ইয়াতে এটো আসলে তোমালোকৰ madam ride the bus বালিৰ পৰা এটো দিছিলে. Question number 40. Choose the correct. Choose the word having the same meaning as the word gleaming. Eto gleaming shining hobo C number. 41. Who was laughed at Burley? All the passengers. Correct option will be B. Next, read the following pages carefully and answer the question that follow. মই তোমালোকক পেজটো পঢ়িবলৈ সময় দিছো, তোমালোক অকণমান পেজটো পঢ়ি লোৱা. এইখিনি পেজেজৰ যিখিনি আনসাৰ আছে এইখিনি তোমালোকে পেজটো পঢ়াৰ পিছত তোমালোকে মিলাই ল'বা. অলৰেডি দিয়া হৈছে. ওকে, সো এইখিনি আসলে 45টা MCQ আৰু তাৰ সলিউশন. এতিয়া মই তোমালোকৰ আগত সেকশন বিৰ কোশ্চেনখিনি দেখাই দিব বিচাৰিছো. মই যদি সময় উলিয়াব পাৰো বাকিখিনিৰো আনসাৰ এটা ভিডিঅ'ত তোমালোকৰ আগত আলোচনা কৰিম. তেতিয়ালৈকে তোমালোক কোশ্চেনখিনি চাই লোৱা, যদি তোমালোকে পোৱা এইটো উলিয়াই ল'বা. ওকে, ইয়াতে দেখা 55ত দিছে give the synonym and antonym of the word inside. Eto inner buli dileo eto synonym hobo aru outside hobo antonym. Okay, now come to the section C. This is rapid reader common poriche moi jikhini video tomalokor agot alochona korichilu duta question e tomalokor agot common pori goise. Next dekha bihu, the festival you like most, eto bihu dibe. Aru duties of student dise a dog with a piece of flesh in his mouth cross a river. Eto eta student writing dise easy tomalokor report writing. Letter to editor dise tomalokor crime against women. Ete soa question number 60. Translate the following into the language as per your MIL or IL subject. Yate dise honesty is the best policy. Hadutai uttom gun. খুব ইজি দিছে তোমালোকে লিখিব লাগিব হাদুতাই উত্তম গুণ। বি ইট মে ৰেইন টুনাইট, আজি ৰাতি বৰষুণ দিব পাৰে বা বৰষুণ হ'ব পাৰে। সি উড ইউ প্লিজ অপেন দ্য ডৰ, উড ইউ প্লিজ অপেন দ্য ডৰ, অনুগ্ৰহ কৰি আপুনি দুৱাৰখন খুলি দিব নেকি। তাৰপিছত এটা তোমালোকৰ এইটো বুকসৰ ওপৰত ইয়াতে এটা কি দিছে সাবস্টেন্স ৰাইটিং দিছে। দেখা মই কোনবাৰ ভিডিঅ'ত আলোচনা কৰিছিলোঁ, তোমালোকে নিশ্চয় যদি চাইছা পাইছে, নহ'লে মই তোমালোকক কৈছোঁই আৰু এটা ভিডিঅ' তোমালোকৰ আগত এই কোৱেশ্যনৰ ওপৰত আলোচনা কৰিম। অ'কে, নাও কাম টু সেকশন ই, দ্যাট ইজ গ্ৰামাৰ সেকশন। দেখা গ্ৰামাৰ সেকশনত প্ৰথম কোৱেশ্যনটো দিছে ৰিৰাইট দ্য sentence using the correct form of tense in the verbs given in the brackets. Yate dekha dia ase if I dash you I would not have called him again. B dise actually ami eto oiro dibo paro kintu nimte had been to dibo paro, gotike oiro dibo para had been dibo para. B he dash here until you return. Eto ami until dise he will stay here until you return. Now come to question number 62. Change the narration of the following sentences. A Zahannabi said to Kamal, please lend me your pen. দেখা জাহ্নবী asked ইয়াতে প্লিজ দিছে, গতিকে এইটো কি হ'ব তোমালোকৰ ইম্পেৰেটিভ সেন্টেন্স, আৰু ইম্পেৰেটিভ সেন্টেন্স হ'লে তোমালোকে ৰিকুৱেষ্টটো দিব লাগিব। জাহ্নবী ৰিকুৱেষ্ট কমল টু, জাহ্নবী ৰিকুৱেষ্টেড কমল টু লেণ্ড হার his pen. Okay, now come to question number B. The teacher asked the boy why he was late that day. It imperative interrogative sentence pora dise aru etu indirect narration dia ase. The teacher said to the boy, why are you late today? Why are you late today? The teacher said to the boy, comma tarpishot inverted comma start kori lastot question mark di tarpishot inverted comma close kori dibo lagibo. Last tomalokor soa নতুন সিস্টেম করিছে যেহেতু আগতে আহা নাছিল। question number 63. Rewrite the following as directed. He is too weak to walk. Write as a compound sentence. It very easy to say. He is so weak that he cannot walk. He is so weak that he cannot walk. B. I have lost the pen you gave it to me. Combine it a single sentence. Eto hobo ki I have lost the pen which you gave me. I have lost the পেন হুইচ ইউ গেভ টু মি ওকে সো মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস এইখিনি আছিলে আজি গোৱালপাৰা জিলায় অনুষ্ঠিত কৰা HSLC প্ৰি বোৰ্ড এক্সামিনেশ্যন 2024-25 ইংলিছৰ কোৱেশ্চন পেপাৰ আৰু তাৰ MCQ আৰু গ্ৰামাৰ সেকশনৰ লগতে ট্ৰান্সলেশ্যনৰ সমাধান আশা কৰিছোঁ এই ভিডিঅ'ৰ সমাধানখিনিয়ে তোমালোকৰ অনাগত দিনত সহায় কৰিব থ্যাংক ইউ ফৰ ওয়াচিং